Hello everyone! Welcome back to HH Beauty Garden channel. In this video, we'll show you how to propagate beautiful roses from cuttings using organic ingredients you probably already have at home. It's a natural, eco-friendly method that's easy, for beginners and rewarding for all garden lovers. Let's breathe new life into your roses the natural way. Let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the rose cutting. To begin, carefully select a healthy rose stem. Choose a semi-woody stem about 15 cm long, approximately 6 inches. Remove any flowers and trim off the lower leaves. These nodes are where new shoots will grow. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Let us know in the comments where you're watching from. We love connecting with garden enthusiasts across the world. Insert the stem into aloe vera gel. Aloe protects cuttings from rot, keeps them moist, and supports gentle, organic rooting. Step 2. Preparing the organic rooting solution to encourage strong root development. We'll create a natural rooting solution using ingredients readily found in most kitchens. Apple peel, rich in antioxidants and natural hormones, helps stimulate root initiation and protects cuttings from fungal infections. Finely chop the peel from one apple. Put the apple peels in a jar, then add about 500 ml of water, equivalent to 2 cups. Stir well to dissolve the nutrients in the apple peel into the water. Cover and let stand for 1 hour before using. Use 3 tablespoons of rice. Add 400 milliliters of water, stir well, and let it sit for 15 minutes. Rice water contains vitamins B1, B6, amino, acids, and minerals. It's excellent for nourishing young roots and promoting early development. Chop a leaf of fresh aloe vera and mix it into the rice water. Combine both solutions and strain the liquid. This is your organic rooting elixir. Let the rose cuttings soak in this mixture for 20 minutes. This will prepare them to root effectively. After soaking, strain the mixture to remove any solids, leaving behind a clean, nutrient-rich liquid ready for use. Step 3. Preparing the growing medium. We use coconut coir as our planting medium. It's light, retains moisture well, and provides excellent aeration. Soak the coconut coir in the strained rooting solution for 5 minutes. Fill small containers or cups with the moist coir. Insert the rose cuttings into the medium, ensuring the growth buds are above the surface. Cover the cup with another large, clear cup to retain humidity, simulating a miniature greenhouse environment. Place the cups in a cool, well-ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight. Final step, waiting for results. You'll begin to see signs of life, new buds emerging from the stem, tiny roots developing beneath the surface. With just a few organic ingredients and a bit of patience, you can propagate your favorite rose varieties naturally and effectively. Once the roots are strong enough, you can transplant the cutting into a larger pot with fresh coconut coir or organic soil. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Your support helps us grow and bring more eco-friendly gardening techniques to flower lovers around the globe. Thank you for watching and happy gardening!